Well, hi there. Today I want to talk about the original French press by Bodum. Somebody correct me because I have no idea how to pronounce it. But in any case, I really love this product. It's made out of glass, so it's non-reactive. It won't, you know, it won't get the smell of different flavors, and it cleans pretty well. The um, the actual mesh is is very well constructed. Pretty much all metal. There's a plastic that kind of enforces it, but other than that, it's all metal between the shaft and the handle. Good stuff. Anyway, I pre-made this coffee, grinded coffee, and if you want to see the review for the grinder, I'll click on the link. It's on the screen. Alright, so I'm going to pour it in. And what we need now is water. Okay, that's good. Now I usually grab a spoon and give it a good mix. Be careful, this is glass, so careful with the spoon. We're gonna let it sit for about 4 minutes, and we'll come back to it. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes, or about 4 minutes, and the next step is to mix it one more time. So, and that's all you need. And now to the pressing part, which is very fun. My daughter loves doing this. So there's also a trick to this. We will press it and kind of do it slowly. If you do it too quick, it gets clogged up, and that's all there is to it. Now, since I'm a lefty, I'm just going to turn it over. Okay, let's pour this in. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna add some milk. And then add yummy, freshly made French press. Okay, well, till next time, I will put a product link at the description. And if you have any comments, questions, let me know. Please thumb up and subscribe, and I will catch you later. Bye.